Hey, to the whole world. It's Luandile here, the leader and the instructor of my live programming school. As you can see, you guys, I'm currently working on exercise 2.2, which require me to write a program that outputs 100 lines, numbered 1 to 100, each with your name on it. The output should look like with my name on it. The output should look like the output below. Okay, without any waste of time, I'll open idle. Create a new file. Save it in the right location. Which is right here. Right there. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be the third solution. Again, I'll create a variable called the number. Let's initialize it to 101. I'll then go while number is greater than 0. While there is the case, what is it I want to do? I want to print number minus 100. Let me put that inside brackets. Next to it, I want to display my full name. Could I be missing anything? Of course, and that is to update my number variable. Okay, now let's hit run and see what we get. Really? Why in the holy hell am I getting a negative number? It's supposed to be the other way around. 100 minus number. Undo. You know what? Let me do that and make use of the ups function. The function responsible for computing the absolute value of a given number. In this case, I'll pass it number minus 100. Zero, 1, 2, 3. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. How come? But you do get the logic here, you guys. So 100 really what's going on? There we go. You got to be shitting me. What is the problem here? You see, the reason why I decided to give you guys this solution is so that I could apply something else as well. Okay, Let me try the Go. Nope. Such thing doesn't exist, I presume. Okay, you guys, I teach multiple languages, so I was checking if a while loop exists in Python. Turns out that it probably doesn't. I'm not sure. You can do your own research on that one if you're familiar with loops. So that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. Cheers, I'm gone.